Alright, so in today's social media countdown, IShowSpeed takes over Jamaica, Spice hits over Uganda, and of course Yaksta calling out the local Rasta man them. Yes, all this and more, so sit back and relax.
The dirty are the berry, yeah, the juicy are the scoop. All the things are going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the corner coming soon. All the drama where you want, you can tune into the youth. Like, yo, hey, box cover, cover all the topics like I in them. Pot cover, mix up, blender, all them suck me out. What happened of the week, yo, just tune in, scene.
Box cover, this is DuttyBerry and welcome to this week's social media countdown. I hope you had an amazing weekend. Big up all of the mothers them, you know, who were celebrated and, you know, have time with them family and get to hear from them loved ones. If your mother is no longer with you, I just hope that you were able to have a moment to just remember the moments that you guys shared. And for the new moms, big up on yourself. I know on still a celebrate, on probably can't get no present from the kids yet, but you know, in time. Let's get into the top 10. Number 10. Spice in Uganda. Alright, burritos, you see the queen of dancehall. You see when she travel, it's not a regular degla settings. It is basically a moving reality show. And so, you know, Spice, you know, headed over to Uganda and we'll see her meet the people them and I really get you know, connected to the culture. And then now we have to talk about this big history-making moment where she was performing and just look at the crowd of people. And definitely why she's the queen of dancehall, because when you look at performances and stages and an audience like that is what separate the girls from the women, the princesses from the queens. So let me know, burritos, like, are you here for all of this Spice travel content? Sound off below. Number 9, mama celebration. Okay, burritos, so I forgot big up the mothers them, you know, because you don't know, so Mother's Day was this Sunday, and you know this video is a celebration of all of that. Take a look at this 80-year-old grandmother celebrating.
What name is it? What name is it? Like you see what I'm wearing
Oh, that is how you do it. That is exactly how you do it. I forgot big up my mother, no, big up Marcia, and big up my grandmother as well, Joyce. Yeah man, big up you. Mwah, mwah. Number 8, Skylar, go on. Burritos, take a look, you know, because it looked like the sports day is still a key, but just take a look at this mother celebrating her daughter, Skylar.
Go Every! Go Skylar! Go Skylar! Put it in! Hurry up Skylar! Hurry up Skylar! Hurry up Skylar! Run!
No, but look how the girl are going. The girl are angle and triangle, like absolutely nothing can go wrong. Everything are gonna go right.
Skylar, go on! Skylar, go on! Skylar, go on! Go on! Jesus! Skylar! Skylar, you're not have to cock it up! Skylar!
Oh wow, oh yeah man, it look like me talk a little bit too soon, but you know what, this girl is meticulous. Like, she is focused on the job at hand. She don't care about speed, she's thinking about accuracy, efficiency. That is what is on her mind, and she's going to be a very good employer one day. Number 7, new school tour. Okay, Berry does know, so I saw this video, on TikTok with TikTok personality Hakim. And so he was talking, him having relationship or social media relationship with another TikToker by the name of Rosalie. Yes, man, you must know her. Well, this is what he said.
We went to school and sitting our tour with old school and doing a school tour. That'd be so nice. Cause you know why? We love boy many, especially the children. The children love it, bro. Believe me, the Pney them love me. The reaction when I get from the kids them in the street, it crazy. Yes, when I stand them so manageable and them little thing then. Yeah, you know them look away there. I know thick as it a shine, but it's the help for push even with thing out the same way. Help get them young people that will never even come in the road and maybe not have a chance to see me on roads with all ways. Because the roads love Pney, That is it. There's a there.
A school tour with Hakim and Rosalie. You know what? The last time I opened my mouth and talk about people doing a school tour and give my 2 cents, somebody nearly come tell me about my father. And so I am just going to zip my mouth right now because I cannot bother with, yeah man. So, yeah man, all the best of the school tour. The kids them love you, that is all that matters. Yeah. Number 6, Pney Hill and Gully.
Everybody pan Hill and Gully. But my one a reality. And this one I have to sing mother them. Tough. For this song. Daddy, you have to give me money. Daddy, you have to give me money. And a mommy alone can do it. 5 grand, I chunk children. Daddy, you have to give me money. Daddy, you have to give me money. And a mommy alone can do it. 5 grand, I chunk children. Big up all of the single mother. We are fight for them sons and daughters. Mommy, me go make you proud because you know how it go. Sleepless night because me hear you crying in your sleep. Because your foot them are weak. I alone still a do it. Daddy, you have to give me money. Daddy, you have to give me money.
Oh God, man, like I just love it. I love that this song was a clean song because a lot of the people them say why the Hill and Gully affair have so many vulgar lyrics on it, and that's a whole another conversation that I will get into at another time. But are you here for this song? And I think he did very well. Yeah, man, big up yourself, youth. Number 5, supple promo. So Berry does know. So say IShowSpeed was in Jamaica, and several of the brands did want to promote and establish themselves, and one of them was Suppligen. But it wasn't the regular way, it was through this brother that they just downtown sell theme products. Them randomly sell Suppligen, and he handed one of the buckle them to IShowSpeed while he was passing by.
What's that? What? Hold it. Let me try that. Hold it. Hold it like this. Hold it like that. Yeah, hold it like that. It's like vanilla. It tastes like vanilla. And it's like a vanilla drink.
Yeah, man, and so since then, the Suppligen team reach out to him, link up with him, and so, yeah, man, kudos to you, Suppligen. Number 4, Yaksta Vengeance. Okay, Berry does know. So, reggae artist Yaksta is back, and he is back never like before. And so, here's a brand new single.
Beat me not, you keep a live like child with beating shot. See me spot, but when you chop me, I go need it black. Remember the whites, them rich out of slavery. Bang your line with bravery. Glad Jesus now come save we. Look what they do them, I do over 80. Guns that don't miss him. Man, nothing shaking.
And why they take over the streets? Because the man just a burn out everything, burn out Babylon, everything. You know, the little spirit there of Sizzler and, you know, many of the great fireman artists them before, like Capitan as well. He's capturing that sort of essence.
All them engineer Jamaica for the future. I don't like it.
I know we that.
No.
So Roar, so the song Roar is to do what now? To change the game, make a man know certain
Yeah,
things.
man, understand. Remember morals, man. Remember respect. Respect black woman, man.
Me I wonder where morals and them thing they
Yeah,
gone.
them thing they gone. They come and thing and talk about mocking and all. Come on, me get tired of them thing, they, bro. I mean, youth them a grow. You know them with them a poetry, pan TikTok now, and all them a perceive. Like, all them a engineer Jamaica for the future. Me don't like it.
I know we that.
Boy, oh boy, you know, and ultimately, I just think Yaksta is doing what is best for his career. He is doing what is best for his career. He's not the first reggae artist to kind of revamp and kind of come again with a more edgier image and edgier lyrics. We have seen this before, and it is usually a very effective tool as long as you're able to fully commit to it. So if he's able to commit to it and to just deal with whatever consequences or whichever direction, do your thing. Just do your thing. You're getting more bookings, all of that. Yes, it's working. Good for you. Number 3, Chicken and Tings promo. Okay, so, you know, as mentioned earlier, IShowSpeed, you know, so if they get the Suppligen, and also he came across the Chicken and Tings brand. How?
Wait, what is she eating? That looks good.
Watching.
All right.
Oh, are you going to her food?
What are you eating? Chicken and thighs?
Yeah,
Curry goat?
Yeah.
Mind if I take a look? Oh. You mind if I take that? Nah, I'm just playing.
Yeah, man. And the name was in his head so much, it was so catchy. While he was continuing his life, he kept on seeing Chicken and Tings, and he saw the billboards and all of that.
Chicken and Tings. Chicken and Tings. Gotta get some chicken and Tings. Chicken and thighs?
Yeah, man. And so, you know, Chicken and Tings caught up with her, and this is what they gave her as a gift.
We saw your video yesterday, or not your video, but on the live stream with Speed, and he was asking for your Chicken and Tings meal.
Yeah.
He was at the right place at the right time, and for that we want to say thank you. But when he asked you for your meal, it was like, huh?
You mind if I take that? Nah, I'm just playing.
Because I walked in the sun to come here yesterday from a court. I wanted it from Monday.
Yeah?
Because I came here on Monday and the cashier told me you only cook curry goat on
Wednesdays and
Fridays
Sundays.
and Sundays.
Yes,
So I
yes.
came back yesterday because I did not want to wait until Sunday. Yeah, I love my curry goat.
You love it, curry goat?
Yes, I
All
love
right,
my
so
curry
for
goat.
that, here's what we're going to do for you. You're going to eat curry goat all the month of May at Chicken and Tings for free at any location. And be
Oh my gosh, that's some love to see the company move, man. Nice, natural, and organic. Yeah. Number 2, Golden Labyrinth. Okay, burritos. You remember the Golden Girls? Well, this is the Jamaican version. As a matter of fact, the people are saying that this is the old people version of Pretty Pretty TC and Dancing Rebel. Do you agree? Take a look.
No swap you cannot. Don't swap you
You cannot. No, you cannot lick the schooling. No, that you cannot fire lick from the schooling. Oh, you try so. Come, stop it, man. No, you cannot fire lick from
Don't swap yourself.
I joke,
Don't swap yourself.
I saw there.
Don't swap yourself.
Yeah, I saw there.
You don't swap yourself.
Never can fight your peers.
I don't care, my man. You only can joke sometimes.
I look a joke there.
You want me to do that?
Let go your hand, make shit deep, put it up 9
Can't
back.
do nothing, man. Can't do
Stop
nothing,
it,
man.
man. Stop it, man.
What
Ease yourself.
You can't do nothing. Me feel licking me. I'm not licking me now.
No.
I'm not.
No, you're not.
You are not for me no man now. No, don't you have me. They can't do nothing.
Then how you did that a fire
Every
lick?
day, I him.
No, you know fit then in die video.
Every day, I him. You know?
What you get trying now?
Yeah,
Murder. Me no know, me
No,
no.
not sure.
But you know fit do him nothing.
They are doing nothing.
Then I joke with him then.
Yeah, sometimes you can joke with him, but you don't like that.
Serious,
Yeah, but with him, he don't
He
use to
say nah run no joke with you for your
He
serious.
don't use to joke.
Alright, leave him now.
What?
She say she no in no joke with
Yeah,
you.
No joke today.
He say no in no joke today.
He say no joke with me.
Today.
He say no joke today.
No, for your bet 25 minutes after your bet.
Sometimes I talk to you.
Then you can't vex because I make much of me. A long time she not
Yes,
see me.
and vex because when I do it.
You tell him say, in that vex, I'm murder make me come here. When me tap, tell me not come. And I'm murder make me come now. And in vex,
he don't fit talk so.
You talk anything, but you talk anything.
That me say.
No, honestly, I don't know why Miss Cornwall is just so grumpy, you know, and always such a fighter. She's a fiery one. And I absolutely just love to see, I think the guy named T Nation Crew, I love to see when these women are recorded because they're so vibrant. Like the two women sitting down are actually in their 90s. Yeah, man, and the one standing up, I think she is in her 80s. And they have friendship, they have community, and they're constantly talking and being social. And it is something that we rarely get to see with our elders. After them reach a certain point, all we see them do is sit down on veranda, look out in a space, and they're not engaging and having community and friends, you know, who are of a certain age group. So it is very nice when I see these videos pop up on my timeline. But yeah, man, burritos, which one do you think you are or will be in your old age?
Now here is this week's random video of the week.
I said, I was wondering what the commotion about. Oh, there you go! And now I see it's you that everyone is following. There! Yes, that's exactly what's going on.
And number one goes to IShowSpeed in Jamaica. My word, my sentence, my paragraph, my essay, my what? My word, my sentence, my paragraph, my essay, my biblioteca. Number one goes to IShowSpeed Takeover in Jamaica. No, burritos. IShowSpeed doing an entire Caribbean tour, traveled all across the Caribbean, and Jamaica was his penultimate stop. And when he hit Jamaica, and I'm telling you, it's just festivities on top of festivities. Like, big up to all of the islands who came before, but Jamaica made itself known as the hot gal of the entire Caribbean stream because it just did the most. And so, you know, I forgot to talk about, you know, some of the moments them where he was just trying Jamaican food. The man actually got try Jamaican patty to the point where him belly got full up all of these things. He I have to go mention, like, when he caught up with Bad Siki and One Supreme, I felt that was very good, a very good moment for him. Now we've been seeing for weeks that Lindsay Machine wanted to meet IShowSpeed to challenge him, and he got the opportunity to do so while he was alongside Popcorn.
Who is this? This is Lindsay. He's challenging you, but don't bark. He bark.
And he meet up the hot girl them in Jamaica. We're gonna talk about Yendi and Shenseea and a lot of the Miss Universe ladies. Like, it was just an amazing vibe. By the way, Yendi did a very good, excellent job, you know, opening up the stream. Like, yeah, man.
Hi.
Hey, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Wagwan.
Wagwan.
Welcome to Jamaica.
Thank you.
I know you've been dying to get here. Come here upon the streamer. I'm drinking rum. And hey!
Angle by angle. You need to remind people, say you're a proper media girl, you know. You're not just like a Miss Universe woman, you're a proper media girl, and you know how to engage and you know how to build connection, and you did that with speed from the very start. And Shenseea.
Tanisha, what's up?
What's up?
I'm good.
Your belly full?
My belly might be full.
Oh, we're going to teach you how to cook still.
More food?
We're going to teach you how to do aki and safi.
You said what?
We're going to teach you how to do aki and safi.
Okay, let's do it. Come on.
Take your cook and you pour.
Shenseea, I just love for the girl. I realize you are basically like a little Empress Poker and Tas Caribbean island flavor, good as like Mercy. Shenseea, you know, man. You look, no, man. Shenseea. Shenseea, the way you look good, you're supposed to be the brand ambassador for Pastry Passion. May I tell you, like, you look like something that's supposed to be a part of a menu. You just, me don't know if I the lotion, if I just your presence, the confidence, all of these things. Shenseea looks disgustingly good. The type, like, me I fear wonder if Shenseea does she was there, yeah, and I look on herself in the mirror at daytime, and I be like, why me need somebody when me can just have myself? Because mercy. Look at the material, me I tell you, man. Skin smooth like when Toll Road just on bill. That's it for Shenseea. Anyway, we'll just move on from that right now. But yeah, man, it was just so nice to see what happened in Jamaica, and you know, he went to to Bob Marley Museum and have that vibe there. It was just an excellent stream, and I like that Jamaican people show up. It was a good mix of uptown and downtown. It was great, you know, for me. And at the end, you know, the big drone show, I was just like, come on, Babsy Grange, man. Come on, man. Come on, man. Come on, man. Jesus P, man. Like, we never need all of that razzle-dazzle, but wow, that was great, and I absolutely loved it. I actually didn't reach there and actually saw him. I was tasked with the responsibility of hand delivering the Jamaican or Jamakai book. It was a book, lot of mercy, me gonna get back to my face. Anyway, is you know, manga anime, is, you know, anime, a Jamaican inspired anime called Jamaican or Jamakai. And of course, it has a lead character which is voiced by my Virgin Yardman Ethan. You know, big up Tolga, who is the creator of it. He's from St. Vincent and the Grenadines. And so I wanted to go and give Speed this book because he's a big anime fan. And so me, I said, boy, I'm a friend of there for and deliver it. So let me just go there because I have little connections. I went to the Bob Marley Museum, got round him, and I was about to hand him the book just before he was whisked off. And right when I got in, Indonesia, Bob Marley's granddaughter got me into the space. Chris, what's his name again? The gentleman who used to go JC, who was in the wheelchair, Crips, he was ushered in and take the moment, and I couldn't even vex. Right when I was supposed to get that moment, me see, I mean, like, how am I going to be? What me I gonna do right now when there is that is right there? Me just have to say, you know what? That is it. But what was good, I was able to hand it to Speed's one of primary bodyguards, and his face lit up once I told him it was a Jamaican anime, and it was just like, yeah, man, Speed is going to like this. I will personally ensure that I hand this to Speed. And so he took the book, me get my hand in the stream, and then Speed was whisked off, and I was just like, well, me try, me cannot say me never try. And so that was that, and so that was my moment. But I really enjoyed seeing everything, and it was quite humbling to see after the Jamaican artists them get the little what the woman name again, when they stand up in the back of the bus, when they stand up in the back of the Rosa Parks treatment. It was very wild seeing notable Jamaican acts get the Rosa Parks treatment in the middle of all of that, because there was a criteria, and you have to, you know, I get somebody if vouch for you for getting at the inner circle. So it was very interesting seeing all of that happening behind the scenes. But yeah, man, it was a great vibe, and Speed come back to Jamaica anytime. It was great. Well, Barritos, let me know, what was your favorite part of Speed's live stream? Sound off below. Well, that's it, Barritos. We've come to the end of another Top 10 social media countdown. Make sure you like, you share, you comment. And don't forget to subscribe. People who now watch on the phone and now watch on the TV, please to subscribe. Turn to your neighbor, turn to your family member, and remind them to subscribe. Those of you who are in the diaspora, why are you watching me weekly and you're not subscribed? Okay, that is what else me leave out now? Yeah, man, and follow me on my social media platforms at DuttyBerryShow all over. And to advertise and to book your boy, shoot me an email to bookings.duttyberryshow@gmail.com. Okay, take care until next time.
The dirty are the berry, yeah, the juicy are the scoop. All the things are going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the corner coming soon. All the drama what you want, you fit tune into the youth. Like, yo, hey. Box cover, cover all the topics like a hymn. Pot cover, mix up, blender, all them suck me out. What happened on the week, yo, just tune in, zine.